Good day, all. This is your facility management professional again. Oluwafemi Ogunleye is the name. Still on our series on effective facility management, we are looking at occupant services. For the last about 2 or 3 videos now, we've been looking at occupant services. For today, we are going to be looking at measured performance, how you can measure performance. Facility managers or facility users monitor O&M infrastructure activities to promote continuous improvement. They also monitor occupant satisfaction to detect deteriorating or unsatisfactory service activities as earlier as possible, as quick as possible before escalation. Dis corrective action to be the least invasive, least worried about and expensive. If a fault is detected on time, the corrective action will be less expensive before it degenerates. Once it degenerates, they will be looking at high cost of repair work. By combining and comparing all inputs in services, the facility managers can develop an accurate accounting of how well existing services are performing, what new services might be helpful, and what level of value is being prioritized. Performance can be evaluated and improved by monitoring parameters, that is checking progress and also correcting variance. How do you monitor parameters? By monitoring operational results including occupant satisfaction, service level relative to expectation. This is the service level agreement, this is what the service specification, then these are the service input, the service output, the service output indicators. As a facility manager, you must measure and you must monitor all these parameters. You must detect when there's a change in the measurement, may indicate a deteriorating condition. Also, you can check progress. That's make your report, periodic visits, that is management by working around, checking back on corrected action and other communication can be helpful for you as a facility managers when if you want to maintain a good facility and improve on what you are doing there. For example, by understanding owner or management policy and gathering ongoing opinions from occupants, the facility manager may discover the need to expand or change custodial services. Concern may come to facility managers at ten tion early, giving time to most appropriate response to quantify issues or add new custodial services for a more complete program. As an FM, as a facility manager, please don't sit on your facilities, don't sit on it. Always we advocate management by working around. 60 to 70% of your time daily should be used to move around your facilities to check new things. Those ones that you corrected last week, please check on them to see if they are functioning rightly, and if they are ones that are about giving up. Timely detection can desescalate so many issues. Then your occupant satisfaction is your basics, is the reason why you are at that site. You need to juxtapose the service specification, the service expectation to what you are actually producing, that is the output of your work. These two must tally. You must make sure that your activities align with what the facility occupant needs. You are there because of the occupant, and your occupant services must be top notch. You must be on top of the game. Avoid escalation. So parameters you can use is to continue monitoring parameters, do your management by working around, check all your equipment, check that everything is okay, then do your report. Then part of it is also check progress. You report, you do periodic visit, and inspection is also good. Inspect your facilities so that you can nip any asset, any part of the asset that is about breaking down. Don't forget, Timely detection of a fault can be less expensive before it degenerated. Once it degenerated further, damage further, you'll be looking at a high cost of correcting that asset. Don't forget, we are not as facility managers, we are not call centers, we are not supposed to be call centers. We generate income. If a facility is well managed, you will be generating income for your facility owner. We'll look at the second part of monitor progress in our next video. Thank you. My name is Foluwafemi Ogunleye once again.